Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks, Futures, and Forex market preview. Well, there's nothing to say about Forex. It didn't go anywhere. So let's do stocks and futures tonight for Tuesday, August 17th, 2021. Hope you had a good trading session. We did. We made good money. One of the better trading sessions we've had in August. So that was nice to see. Strange behavior, though. So we gapped down. We pushed lower. We made a bunch of money on the short side. Just about everything was on the short side. And then the markets came back over lunch, came all the way back, and actually closed green for the day, even though they were down hard. It's bizarre, right? So here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. So the daily chart of the broad market futures form. So as you can see, new closing high. Why not? Crude oil down 97 cents to 67.47. Gold up $10.90 after that weird action last week. S&P cash, like I said, gained 11.71, so barely new closing highs. NDX, NASDAQ 100 up literally 4 points. It was much lower. It was down over like 150. Still holding under the 13 sell signal risk line. The SOX was down 12 and change. The biotechs were down 75. Russell 2000 is down 19. So most of the major indices are down. The Russell's still so flat, though, for the year. The VIX up 67 cents to 16.12, but it was higher. It was over almost at 18 at one point. The trend closes at 1.36. 10-day moving average at 1.07. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think we're about to, 2 days from now, we're going to drop off a really big number. That'll help bring that number down, and then we'll see where it goes. NASDAQ volume was 3.9 billion shares again, right in that same range we've been sitting for a while. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ, negative 1608, so more stocks down than up. Now remember, NASDAQ made it back to positive, closed up 9, but yet we're still negative 1600 on the advanced decline ratio. And on the New York, negative 962, so really negative there too. Google loses gains $11.64 after all that. New closing high for the year. Apple up $2.02, new closing high for the year. Netflix up 2 points. Okay, Amazon up 5.02, nothing there, that's a blip, but look how much, it went all the way down, it was down quite a bit, it was down almost 100 points, reached down and hit that red static trend line, then bounced right off of it. Tesla down 31 with some bad news out there. Facebook up $3.38, so really, the NASDAQ closes positive, all these stocks were down early, and it's Google, Apple, Netflix, Amazon, and Facebook closed green, and that's why we were up for the session. Zoom down $6.83. Goldman Sachs down $2.43. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, was up 36 cents. The Dow up 110. Bitcoin loses 545, so it's still sitting up near 46,000. And that's that. If we look at the intraday action on the ES, so you can see the start of the week. So Friday's so flat, right? Then we gap down, we push lower, big drop. Bottom out, maybe half an hour ahead of lunch, start to rally back up. Okay, lunchtime action, whatever. We're sitting in the opening 5-minute candle, and then we break out of that, fill the gap. Okay, we fill the gap right at the end of lunch, and then flat for a little bit, and then came back and pushed higher even. Very strange day. NASDAQ side, kind of the same, but a little more negative early. Like the drop was really steep after the small gap down, but it took all the way until the close to fill the gap. So a very strange day, but we had so many good calls and winners. And futures made money for us, and just everything's good. In terms of economic data on Tuesday, core retail sales an hour before the bell, industrial production capacity utilization 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time, business inventories, and the NAHB housing market index at 10. And that's it. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Tuesday.